How to enable on screen navigation button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on instruction and dexterity, so click on assistant menu. So after click on assistant menu, so first of all turn on assistant menu button. So after turn on assistant menu button, so you will see now here showing you four dot icon. So after click on four dot icon, so if you want to use, so click on home, you will see now home. So click on this four dot icon and you will see, click on recent, so you will see. So go back and click on this icon. So go back. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable on screen navigation button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.